How's it going, everybody? I hope everybody's doing fine and having a great day. I want to talk about strumming and strumming patterns in this lesson. I think when you're learning to play the guitar, you get some chords, but then, how do I strum the guitar? Do I just keep banging out a chord like that, or do I just go up and down, up and down? Well, a lot of songs have a beat, and, finding the rhythm or the beat to a song can be pretty tricky when you're first learning to play the guitar. But when you're just starting out, and once again, these videos are for beginners, and I think that's where a lot of people get frustrated and trip up and maybe quit. So I'm here to help you. And one of the things I want to go over with is strumming patterns. And I have 4 or 5 basic strumming patterns to get you started. From the very beginning to maybe a little complicated. But the first one is just counting to 4. It's just a simple quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all downstrokes. Down, 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 down. And that's like the basic strumming pattern, just all downstrokes. So you have 8 notes. So you can think of the guitar as when you strum down, that's a down, and when you come up, it's an and. You have a 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and, down, up, down, up. Down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I would consider those the basis of strumming. That's just your basic strum. And if you get your guitar and you're just starting out and you can get the thing in tune, you can just start out with some of these basic strumming patterns. Kind of mix them up a little bit. The third one I want to talk about is it's got some ands in it. It's a 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. And it can sound a little stale, but what you can do is on that and, you can switch to a different chord. So when I come up, I'm letting the chord go and I'm just letting all the strings ring out. And then on the next down, that's when I'll grab the next chord. So here I'm going from a G to a C. No chord. That's one way to transition from one chord to another. You're not always necessarily holding a chord down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So a lot of times in a song you'll have 5, you could have 5 strumming patterns. You have an intro, you could go through some verses, you hit a chorus, and by the time you get there, you might have, changed up the feel a little bit. And a lot of times strumming is just feel. You might just want to freestyle it. So what I did there is I strummed a few of them. strummed the E, but when I got to the C, I sort of arpeggiated it, and the D. So let's start from the beginning. We have down, down, down. We have down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we had down, down, up, down, down, up. And that's a good one when you're practicing a chord change. So another strum pattern you can think of is, it's got a little more like movement to it. It's down, 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 up, down, up. Kind of country or old school rock, but down, 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 up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. What better way to end it with just a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and, or you could do a 1, 2, 3, 4. So strumming can be really expressive, and one thing you can think of is that your strumming hand, your pick hand, is kind of like the drum. It's kind of like the drum beat, sort of. You could follow a drummer hitting a hi-hat. So there's also, finding the groove of the song and how you're going to accentuate the beats with the guitar. And the last one I want to go over is the you're going to skip one of the strums. So it's going to be like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So on that third beat, I'm not strumming down, down, up. I'm bringing my pick down, but then I strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Kind of throwing a little pause in there just to give effect of that particular strumming pattern. That strumming pattern will get you through quite a number of songs. You can see I don't strum on that 3. 1, 2, and 4, and 4, and 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and. I hope some of those strumming patterns help you out with your journey on the guitar. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing.